Guys, right here with me is the Lenovo A5. We will be unboxing this soon. Please subscribe. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe now. So let's unbox our Lenovo A5. So guys, here is the earpiece for the phone. Here is the front camera, 8 megapixels, and the flashlight. Also, here is the back camera, 30 megapixels, and the flashlight. This is the fingerprints. We have the charging port here, and we have the phone microphone here. We also have the switch button here and the volume button. The switch button and the volume button, and we have the tray at the other side of the phone. This is it. So let us check out the tray. So looking at the tray here, we can see that the phone uses a nano SIM, nano dual SIM, and the memory card here. So the phone has 3 gig RAM and 16 gig ROM, and battery capacity is 4000 milliampere. And the back case here is a plastic case, though it's kind of shining, but it's a plastic case, and the phone really looks nice. As in, looking at the shape of the phone and the design of the phone, I think it's okay. It really looks okay and nice, yeah. But I think I love that of the journey design than this. But the phone is really okay and it's really nice. So let's quickly check out our phone and let's check what's inside and see what's up. I think the 4000 milliampere battery will be very okay for I think depending on the area you are, sure. But the 4000, I think for me, sure, look at the buy of 4000 milliampere battery. The battery is okay for me. Here is the full screen of the phone. You can see it, the full screen. I think what do you call it? The themes that come with the phone is really okay. I think I like it. Like it didn't really make sense. I guess. Okay. Yeah, we have the Google search. If I want to swipe it, the Google search. So I think this is the whole menu. Shall this all be have in the phone? So let's check out the settings. In settings here, let's check out our storage. 16 gig of storage and 6 gig has been used. 16 gig of storage and 6.27 gig has been used. Good. So let's you can see there. So let's back it. Let's check out the system. The about phone. Device to Lenovo A5. Then you can see the version 8.1.0. And right. So what is that? About phone version 8.1. So let's see of the camera. So the phone comes with so many Google apps. You can see it right here. We have it comes with the Google Chrome, the Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, Play Music, and Play Movies. Just Play Movies again, but I don't know. We'll check that later. Then we have the photos and the calendar here. Let's see what's Play Google Play. Get started. But now, okay. So it also comes with the Chrome and Play Store. So this way, every Android phone that has Google Chrome's Play Store, so won't miss that out. So I think here is the search button for the Lenovo phone, and here is the search button. Here is the Google search whatever you call it. Yeah, the phone is really nice. The phone works smoothly and sharp. So what's up? Does it have any other features? The home button is not, you can say it's not on the phone. It's on the screen, like in the screen of the phone, not on the where. So this is all we have for you guys today. So please, if you're not subscribe now so you can get more of our gadgets and updates. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching.